I have to download this. So it says 1.5 gigabytes I need to download, so I'm just gonna skip this ahead for you guys. Okay guys, now the installation has completed. Go back to your GitHub website, sorry, the FaceFusion website. Come down below and install the application called CUDA. Paste it. It will take a little while. If you see this error pip dependency resolver does not currently take into account or blah 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 blah, it might be some dependency issue, but you don't have to worry about it. Just go ahead and wait while it installs itself. Alright guys, as you can see, we've got another dependency issue, but it's okay, the installation has completed. So now let's go ahead and do one more. Type conda install conda forge ffmpeg easy is equals to 7.0.2. Press enter. Okay guys, we are now done installing the ffmpeg easy. Now the final step, type python FaceFusion.py run. Okay, as you can see, running in local URL. Copy this code, go to your web browser, paste it, and voila, we are here. Okay guys, so now what we can do is, if you are swapping face, click on face swapper, and then also we would require face enhancer. It enhances our faces. Let's take this as our source image, and then our target image is going to be this child. As you can see, I took this from a stock image, so this is going to be the preview. Now I have added a source image. This is our source image, this is our target image. So what we are going to do is run it, and then we will transfer our output to this location. That is our output path. So this is our reference image, and this is our preview. You can see right here that the face has been swapped. What we can do now is start the output processing. You can check it over here. Might take a while depending on your system specification. Okay, it says processing to image succeeded. Took me 10 seconds. So this is the output. You can go ahead and go to this path. Okay, so we've got our output. Yep, it's in high definition. You can check the resolution of this by going to the details over here.